Okay, children. So today we will discuss numericals based on v is equal to u plus at or acceleration definition. What is the acceleration definition, children? Rate of
Change in
change
velocity.
of velocity. That is a is equal to v minus u by t. Change in velocity. This goes up. At is equal to v minus u and v is equal to u plus at. Basing on this, we'll do some numericals. Okay. First question. First question. Okay. So a scooter acquires a speed of 36 km/h. A scooter acquires a speed of 36 km/h. Okay. In 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. After the start means initial velocity is zero. This is final velocity. Question is, what is the acceleration? Okay. Tanmay, can you tell now? Using this equation, Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
How to convert kph to meters per second?
Sir, 5 by 18.
So how much is that?
10.
10 meters
10
per
meters
second.
square.
So v is equal to u plus 80. Tell me how to do.
Sir, 10 meters square equals to 0 plus a into 5. 10 equals to 0. 5, 5a. A is equals to 2 meters.
So 2 meter per second square is the acceleration for this motion. Okay, second question. Nandika, second question.
Yes, sir.
A train starts from stationary position, means initial velocity is zero, and moving with a uniform acceleration attains a speed of 36 km/h. Attains a speed of 36 km/h in 10 minutes. Same question again. Find acceleration. How to convert kph to meter per second?
Into 5 by 18, 10
So,
meters per second.
10 meter per second. And how many seconds will be there in 10 minutes?
10 into 60 is 600 seconds.
So for
So A is equal to V minus U by T.
okay, so you want to do that. A is equal to V minus U by T. Okay. A is
10
equal
minus 10 minus 0 by 600.
to okay.
A is equal to 10 by 600.
A is
A
equal
is
to
equal to 1 by 60.
meter per second square.
Second square.
Units is very important, children. Units are very important. Meter per second square. If you don't write units properly, children, you will not get correct marks. Children, later you finish. Okay, next one. Sri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first I will say the question. See, find the initial velocity of a car. Find the initial velocity of a car which is stopped. Stopped means final velocity is zero. Children, starting from rest means initial velocity is zero. Stopped means final velocity is zero, which is stopped in 10 seconds. Which is stopped in 10 seconds, which is on applying retardation is 2.5. Retardation is 2.5 meter per second square. Retardation is 2.5 means acceleration is minus 2.5. Retardation is 2.5 means acceleration is minus 2.5. Okay, children, retardation is plus 2.5 means acceleration is minus 2.5 because yeah. Now tell Srita.
Yes, sir. V is equals to U plus 80. 0 is equals to U plus 2 minus 2.5 into 10. 0 is equals to U minus 25. U is equals to 25 meter per second.
So initial velocity is 25 meter per second. Children. Initial velocity is 25 meter per second. Okay, children, next one. Okay, so next one, who will get chance? I think Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vivek, fourth sum. Vivek, fourth sum is like this. A moving train is brought to rest. A moving train is brought to rest means final velocity is zero. No? Brought
Yes,
to rest means final velocity is zero. With in 20 seconds. In 20 seconds. Okay, by application of brakes. Find the initial velocity. Find the initial velocity if retardation is 2 meters per second square. Retardation is 2 means acceleration is how much?
-2, sir.
Minus 2 because it is slowing down. Yeah. So V is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to?
V is equal to U plus 80. 0 is equal to U plus minus 2 into 20. 0 is equal to U plus minus 40. U is equal to 40.
Initial velocity is 40 meters per
40.
second. Yes, Sarayu, can you tell this some fifth sum? A body starts to slide over a horizontal surface with initial velocity. Initial velocity is 0.5 meter per second. Okay, and 0.5. Due to the friction, its velocity decreases at the rate of 0.5 meter per second square. By seeing the units, you should say it's an acceleration, children. By seeing the units only. Okay, and how much time will it take to stop? To stop means v is equal to 0. How much time? Children, stop means 0. Rest, starting from rest means u is 0. Coming to stop means v is equal to 0. Starting from rest is u is equal to 0. Coming to stop is v is equal to 0. Starting from rest is u is equal to 0. Okay, yeah, Sarvi, can you tell me some? Yeah. Sarvi is not there. So next chance is next Navani. Navani also.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
V is equal to 0. 0 is equal to u plus 0.5
Into t. This
Okay.
comes here. Minus 0.5 is equal to
0.5 is equal to 0.5 into t. 0.5 into 0.5.
No, actually acceleration you should take minus because it is decreasing. No, acceleration you should take minus. Here you should take minus acceleration. So minus by minus 0.5 is in 1 second it will come to rest. In 1 second it will come to rest. Okay.
Right.
Yashasvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sixth question. Racing car has acceleration of 4 meter per second square. Racing car. Acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 2 seconds? What distance it will cover? What distance it will cover in 2 seconds? Starting from rest. Starting from rest. Nana, here you have to use Yashasvi S is equal to ut plus half at square. Can you use it?
Yes.
Starting from rest means initial velocity is 0. Tell.
Yes, sir. S is equals to 0 into 2 plus half into A into 4 into T square, 2 square, which is 4. S is equals to 8 meters.
It travels in 2 seconds. Starting from rest. Starting from rest means initial velocity is 0. Next, Vikram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
A boy starting from rest. Boy starting from rest means initial velocity is 0. Travels a distance of 200 meters in 10 seconds. 200 meters in 10 seconds. Calculate the acceleration. Same formula.
Take form.
Same
Same.
formula. Yeah.
S equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. 200 meters equal to u 0 into 10 seconds plus 1 by 2 into 0 a into 10 seconds.
Okay. Okay. This will
200,
go 400. This will come down.
400 by 100, 2 zeros, 4 by 1.
4 meter per second square. Okay. Next. Neeraj, are you there? Brakes are applied to a car.
Yes, sir.
Produces a negative acceleration. Produces a negative acceleration. Retardation is negative acceleration only, no? So
Yes,
minus
sir.
10. If car takes 5 seconds to stop means final
Velocity is equal to 0, sir.
Calculate the distance traveled before the car comes to rest. Calculate the distance traveled before it comes to rest.
The
Calculate the distance traveled before it comes to rest. Find acceleration first. After finding acceleration, substitute in this formula.
yes, sir. S is equal to
V is equal to
S.
u plus
V is
80.
equal to u plus 80.
0 is equal to
0 is equal to initial visa
u plus minus
u
10
plus
into
minus 10 into 5.
u minus
That is
50.
u minus 50. That is equal, u is equal to 50.
So this is traveling with 50, came to rest. This is traveling with 50, came to rest. In how much
Yes, sir.
distance? So in how much distance means we have to put S is equal to ut plus half at square. So that is S is equal to
ut plus half 80 square.
S is equal
S is
to
equal to u is equal to 50
into 5
into 5
plus
plus
half
1 by 2 half
acceleration
into,
is minus 10.
yes, sir, minus 10
5 5
plus time, sir,
Okay.
5 square. So 250 minus 1 by 2 minus 250 by 2, that is equal to 250 minus 125, that is equal to 125 meters.
125 meters it will come to, it will this travel before coming to rest. 125 meters it will travel before it coming to rest. 125 meters it travels before coming to rest. Okay. Next, Rama, are you there, Rama?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me this one. A bus starting from rest moves with an acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square. Okay. For 2 minutes. Find speed and distance. Speed acquired. This is first equation of motion. Yeah, tell. You will start and you will not say anything. Pardo, are you there? No, he also is not there. Hansika, Nana, you tell time. Yeah, 12 meter per second square. So who will tell Nana? So we have to find out distance, children. Distance. Who will tell distance, children? Anyone?
So can I say?
Tell Nana.
S is equal to ut plus half at square.
Okay.
S is equal to half into
0, Nana. 0 into
0 into
120.
120 plus half into 0.1 into 4.
120.
Sorry, 120 into 120. S
So?
is equal to half into 1 by 10 into 120 into 120.
Okay, so how much is the distance it is traveling, Nana?
S is equal to 720 meters.
720 meters. Okay, children. So like this you have to do, children, all the sums. Okay, so practice all the sums. In the description I will add some more sums, children, for you to practice if ever you get any interest in the subject. So please practice the sums and tomorrow write this properly, children, and thank you.